Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the water and ice dispenser paddle switch in this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a narrow small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. You can insert a narrow small flathead screwdriver or comparable size tool into the holes on the bottom of the funnel and paddle assembly to help detach the display control. Disconnect the 3 wire harness connectors to fully release the control. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the funnel and paddle assembly. Note the orientation of the paddle switch wires, then detach the wires from the switch terminals. Now use the small Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to release the old paddle switch. To install the new dispenser paddle switch, align it on the mounting pin so the switch actuator is facing the paddle lever. Thread the screw to secure. Attach the wires to the appropriate switch terminals. Feed the wires through the funnel and paddle assembly as you position the assembly in the housing. Secure the assembly with the 4 screws. Reconnect the 3 wire harness connectors to the appropriate terminals on the back of the display control. Reposition the control by aligning the top edge first, then snap the bottom edge into place. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.